Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to Spotting Trip Vlogs. And today we are going on a big trip. We are doing a 4-day trip where we're going to go up to Inverness, then Aberdeen and Dundee, up in the Highlands of Scotland. So as you can probably see, I've started in a different location today. This is my bus stop. Well, it's not my local bus stop, but it is a bus stop I can use. And I've got to get a bus. This is my first thing. We're not starting at Royal Station, not getting a train. So the plan is we are going to get the A3 up to Bristol Airport. Then we've got a couple of hours there, and then we're going to fly from Bristol up to Inverness. Flight is an EasyJet flight on an A320, about an hour and 20 minutes, so not a long one. And then from there we're going to make our way into Inverness, where this day will finish. So just a travel day today, not filming any spotting videos today, literally just travelling up there because it's so far. And because of the time of the flight's at 1:55, so we had no time to get up there and film any videos. I haven't 100% decided whether this is going to be a 3-part series or a 4-part series for this trip. But once I know, I shall let you guys know. So first things first, we're gonna wait for the bus, and we're gonna get up to Bristol Airport. So I will update you guys when that bus is arriving in. Alright guys, so arriving in now is the 1116 A3, and this is going to take me to Bristol Airport. I'm not going to film on the bus, so I shall now update you guys when we get to the airport. Alright, so we're now here at Bristol Airport. Terminal's up there. This is the bus that brought me in. I'm not 100% sure what type of bus it is, so if any of you guys know, you can let me know in the comments, but it was fleet number 67107. So now we're going to walk up to the terminal, and then I'm going to show you the inside of what that all looks like at Bristol. Alright guys, so welcome to Bristol Airport. This is what the little check-in area looks like. EasyJet check-in here. And what we will do is we are just going to go look at the board. 8:55 Inverness. Seems to be on time at the moment, which is good. So now just go to clear security, go get some food. Security's just up there. Just going to clear security, get some food. Next time you will see me is when we are boarding the plane. So I'm not going to film anything else through the airport. So if anything happens, I will update you guys. So here's our aircraft for today. It is Golf Echo Zulu Papa Delta. It's going to be taking us all the way up to Inverness. Just going to board this plane now, and next shot you will see is going to be a full takeoff run. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. made it here to Inverness Airport. That was a very nice, lovely little flight up there from Bristol. Arrived at about, I don't know, what? I think about 20 minutes late, which is not too bad at all. But as you can see, this is the terminal up here at Inverness. It's a very small airport. You literally just kind of get off the plane, walk through this corridor, and then you're literally just deposited straight in arrivals. It is, I do apologise for the wind, it's really windy up here. I wasn't expecting it to be this windy. So the plan now for the rest of today is I am going to go and think, it's not train for a while, I'm going to get a bus. I think I'm going to go get a bus to Inverness is the plan. I'm going to go and check into my accommodation. I'm staying in Inverness tonight. Like I said earlier, not filming any videos today. Today was just about travelling up here. And now we're here. And the filming of videos will begin tomorrow. Probably decided to make this into a 3-part series and put all these clips into today and then tag them along with tomorrow's video. Or tomorrow's journeys. So, I'm now going to go and get the bus. I'll catch you guys in a minute. And arriving here now is the number 11 bus, which is going to take me into the city centre of Inverness. So, I will update you guys, see you guys when I get to Inverness then. Alright guys, so I've now made it here to Inverness. Here we are, the bus just dropped me off on this street here. So, I am now going to go and check into my accommodation for the night, get some dinner, and next time you will see me is at Inverness train station in the morning. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, good morning guys, it is currently 6:30 in the morning, we're here at Inverness. We've got the little station concourse here. I believe this is going to be my train here, 17433. And that is going to be the train that's going to take me on the 0701 to Aberdeen. That's the train. I'm going to get the 0701 to Aberdeen. And I'm going to be taking that all the way to Aberdeen. We also have 158723 there. I think that's going to be forming this. It's going to be forming either the 0644 to Edinburgh Waverley or the 0730 Wick. So you can see we have platforms 3, 4, 5, 6. If we come through here, this is the platform the Caledonian Sleeper uses. I see there's actually this is platform 1 and 2 here, and platform 7 is just on the left down there. So yeah, that's a little tour of Inverness. We're going to be filming a video here. And we're not filming that until Wednesday, so that's on the last day. So now, I'm just going to get on 174 for free. And I'll see you guys when we depart out of Inverness. And we are now departing Inverness. Currently a speed restriction between Aberdeen and Inverkeithing, which is causing delays at Aberdeen, so we will have to see how that affects my journey. Over there is 800-107, and that is going to be forming the 0755 LNER service bound for London King's Cross. And we are now departing Inverness Airport. And we are now departing Nairn. And we are now departing Forres. And we have a 158 here. 158724. On a service bound for Inverness, I believe. And we are now departing Elgin. And here we have 43150 and 43177 on a service from Aberdeen to Inverness. And we are now departing Keith. And we are now departing Huntley. And we are now departing Inch. And we are now departing Inverurie. And we are now departing Kintore. And we are now departing Dice. stop will be Aberdeen, where we will be alighting from this service. And we are now arriving into Aberdeen, where I will alight from this service. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so we're now here at Aberdeen. So the plan now is we're going to film the train spotting out video here at Aberdeen, and I shall catch you guys when that is done. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, and this was 17433, which is the train that brought me here to Aberdeen from Inverness. So yeah, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so I have now finished filming the video at Aberdeen. And now I've just come into the station concourse through the barriers, and my train is cancelled due to due to a person being hit by a train, which is obviously a pretty major incident. My condolences go out to anyone involved. But this does mean that we're going to have a complete change of plan. Now, I'm not going to be able to get to all 4 stations that I plan to today. So what I plan to do... So I was meant to film here at Aberdeen, Portleathen, Stonehaven and Lawrence Kirk today. So I think I'm going to skip Stonehaven because that's the easiest one out of all of them to do. And I'm going to come back all the way up here and do that on another trip, which is fine because I've got more stations around Dundee to do, so I will be back up here so I can do it then. But yeah, not ideal. So now I've just got to wait an hour and 10 minutes to the next one. So yeah, there's a little quick update for you, and I shall see you in a minute. Alright guys, so we're now back at Aberdeen, and here we have 17411, which is on the 1226 ScotRail service to Montrose, which is going to be taking me to Portleathen, which is going to be the next station that we film at. So in a minute when the doors get unlocked, I'm going to board this train, and then I'll see you all when we are departing out of Aberdeen. And like I said before, not going to be filming at Stonehaven, going to come back and get that on another trip. So yeah, catch you guys in a minute. And we are now departing Aberdeen. Running about leaving here like 5 minutes late, which isn't too bad. We are now arriving into Portleathen. Departing out now is the 1237 ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Montrose. And so guys, welcome to Portleathen. So now we're going to go and film the video here, and I will see you guys once that is finished. Alright guys, so I've now finished filming the video here at Portslethon, and now the plan is going to get the 1432 ScotRail service bound for Montrose, and I'm actually going to get off that at Stonehaven because I found a way to get all the stations in as planned despite the disruption this morning, which is excellent. So next station will be Stonehaven, and following that will be Lawrence Kirk. So I shall see you guys when the 1432 is arriving in. Arriving in now is the 1432 ScotRail service from Inverness to Montrose. It is 174.30 and it's going to be the train taking me to Stonehaven. And we are now departing Portslethon. And we are now arriving into Stonehaven. Departing out there is 174.30 on the 1441 ScotRail service from Inverness to Montrose. And we're now here at Stonehaven. So as always, we are going to go and film the video, and I'll see you guys when it's done. So catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm now finished filming the video here at Stonehaven. Really enjoyed it actually. It's a really nice station, Stonehaven. Got lots of variety, some good passes, and even saw a LNER 800, so that's good. So now I need to go and get the 1634, I believe it is, ScotRail service from Inverness to Montrose, and that's going to take me to Lawrence Kirk, which is going to be the final station I will film a train spotting video at today. So I'll catch you guys when that train is arriving in. Arriving in now is the 1635 ScotRail service from Inverness to Montrose, which is going to be the train taking me to Lawrence Kirk. And it is 170.433. And we are now departing Stonehaven. Kirk. Looks like I started that clip a little tad early there, guys. Do apologise for that, but there is the station. The following now is the 1648 ScotRail service from Inverness to Montrose. So, as always, it is now time to go and film the video, and I will see you guys once that is all done. Alright, so the video here at Lawrence Kirk is done, which means all 4 stations have been completed that was planned today, which is excellent. So now, we've got to make our way down to Dundee, which is where I'm staying for the next 2 nights. So, we're going to get the 1823 ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Montrose, and we're going to take that to Montrose, and then we're going to wait there for about 25 minutes, where we're going to pick up the 1859 LNER service from Aberdeen to Leeds, and that is going to be the train that takes us down to Dundee. Should get into Dundee at about 19:33. So we've got just over an hour's journey time, which isn't too bad.
Thank you.
So I shall see you guys when the 1823 is arriving in. Apologies on the late start for the clip, but arriving in here is the 1823 ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Montrose, which is going to take me to Montrose. And it is 1:70-4:30. So we're going to board this now. And we are now departing Lawrence Kirk. Once again, apologies for the late start on the clip when this train was arriving in. I just did not see it coming whatsoever. Next stop will be Montrose. And we are now arriving at Montrose. Where this train will terminate and where I will alight. Alright guys, so we're now made it to Montrose. So now all we have to do is wait 25 minutes, and then we're going to get on the 1859 LNER service to Leeds. I'm going to take that to Dundee. So I shall, the next clip you shall see will be the LNER service arriving in. Arriving in now is the 1859 LNER service from Aberdeen to Leeds, which is going to be the train taking me to Dundee. And it is 800-101. And we are now departing Montrose. arriving at Arbroath. Both Montrose and Arbroath will have train spotting videos filmed tomorrow, and that will be covered in the train spotting vlog for tomorrow as well. And we are now departing Arbroath. Next stop will be Dundee. And we are now arriving into Dundee. Departing now is the 1934 LNER service from Aberdeen to Leeds. And that is going to conclude this spotting trip vlog. So this is the first part of the 3-part series when I'm up here in Scotland. So part 2 will be just tomorrow, and like today it's been 2 days, and part 3 will be Wednesday, the day after that. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!